Hello YouTube. Do you have a senior citizen car? A car like this, which is over 13 years old and 160,000 miles, where you may need to have some cataract surgery on the headlights because they've gone all foggy. Well, I have some good news for you. On Amazon, you can purchase this great kit for only $13, and with a little bit of elbow grease, you can save hundreds of dollars doing it yourself with a little elbow grease, and you can get a really great looking light. Alright, so just so you know, I have the link in the description below if you want to purchase this product. So this one has three different options. You have the light, so if you're thinking that your headlights are not that messed up, you can get the light version, the moderate, or severe. For what we have here today, we picked up the moderate version. So let's take a look inside what we have. Comes with two buffing pads. The first thing you're going to be using is the cleaning solution, and then finally what you're going to use is the headlight coating, which is the last step. Alright, step one is you need to put some masking tape around the side of the headlight so you don't end up scratching up your paint. So after you've gone ahead and masked all the tape around the headlight, you're going to use the cleaning solution, and your pad, you're going to do a quarter size amount on the pad, and your goal is to be buffing out this really cruddy looking substance right here, so everything is a nice consistency across the whole headlight. So then the next step is going to get some paper towels and wipe it off. Alright, so I wiped off this section because if you do the whole thing at once, it gets very difficult to wipe off the clean solution. And you're going to look and see if you have any more of this hazy crud on top. So I still see a little bit here, so after I'm done buffing out the whole thing, I'm going to come back and keep working on this section until it's all one consistent smooth look. So I've done about 15 minutes using the cleaning solution and the buffing pad across the entire lens of the headlight. Right now you're going to see a little bit of a frosted look going all the way across it. That's totally fine to be expected, but I've gone and made sure all the really crusty sections that look really cloudy are all gone. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a towel to wipe off any of the excess cleaning solution before I get to the very next step. So now that I've made sure all the cleaning solution is off the headlight, you'll notice there's still a little bit of a frosting haze going on everything, but that's to be expected. But you'll notice that the really cloudy sections have all been buffed out, which is exactly what you want to have done. The next thing we're going to do is put the spray on and finish it up. Okay, so the next step is we're going to be using the headlight coating spray. We went ahead and added this paper around the sides to cover up the paint of the car. You can do what we did. We use this actual paper we have, or you can use newspaper. Please note that we did this because you need to mask around the headlight before using to prevent overspray from the coating getting on paint or plastic trim. If the overspray occurs, remove with rubbing alcohol. I don't feel like doing that, so we put the paper on. So after you've shaken it for about a minute, you're going to go ahead and spray all across the headlight. So even after just one coat of the headlight coating, you can see it's already looking incredible. So now you just do your second coat. So now that we've done the second coating of the spray, we've waited 10 minutes to let it set up. Now the only step left we have is to remove the paper. So for only $13, I would say this looks absolutely incredible. You can pick this up on Amazon. Don't forget to find the link in the description below. This whole process only took me about 45 minutes, so that's absolutely incredible. And the best part about it is the package took care of 2 headlights on this vehicle, and there's still plenty for, say, another vehicle. If not, you need to reapply this thing roughly every year, and there's plenty left over so you can do it again. So if you found this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you very much.